Hey guys, I'm Mr. Johnson. I'm here with the ACE Center at Highland Springs Computer Systems Technology. Me and my student Devin will be showing you how to upgrade the RAM in a computer system today. To upgrade the RAM in a computer system, you'll need a couple of different things. First, you'll need an anti-static mat. Second, you'll need an anti-static wrist strap. Third, you should always have your safety glasses. And fourth, your knowledge to look up what type of RAM you need. All right, to get started on removing or upgrading the RAM, the first thing we want to do is we want to go ahead and back up any important data or files on the computer that we would be worried about losing if there was something catastrophic to happen during this process. Once we've done that, then we're going to go ahead and we're going to power off the computer properly. And then once you've powered the computer off properly, you're going to go ahead and unplug the computer from the wall. After unplugging the computer from the wall, the next step is going to be to hold down the power button for 3 to 5 seconds to ensure that you've drained any extra power out of the system. So now that you've got the system properly powered off and you've drained the power from the system, we're going to go ahead and open the case. Once we open the case, we're going to go ahead and find a good spot to hook up our anti-static wrist strap, hopefully a surface that is metal and not painted if possible. All right, so now that we've done all of those things, we're going to go ahead and locate the RAM slots on the motherboard. And he's going to use the 2 tabs on the side of the RAM to release the RAM from the motherboard, okay? And once he releases the RAM from the motherboard, it's going to pop up just a little bit, and then he's going to go ahead and grab the RAM by the edges. I know we're upgrading the RAM, but we don't want to kill the RAM with any electrostatic discharge, so we're going to make sure we properly grab it, grabbing the edges of the RAM. We're not touching the chips that are on the actual RAM stick or anything like that. Or the golden edges on the bottom. We're going to grab it by the edges on the green circuit board. All right, now that we've got the old RAM removed from the system, we're going to go ahead and open the new RAM. Once we open the new RAM, while we're getting situated, we're going to go ahead and place that on our anti-static mat. Okay, now we're just looking at the RAM slot itself to make sure that we're getting the RAM in the right orientation to go ahead and install that in the system. Making sure that the slots on the bottom of the RAM and the slot in the socket or slot is correctly aligned. Then we're just going to take our 2 thumbs and we're going to push down firmly to lock the RAM into place, and you should see the little locking arms on the motherboard move in to go ahead and lock that in. All right, now that we've gotten the new RAM installed into the system, we're going to go ahead and close the case, and then we're going to boot the system up. Maybe check it in BIOS first to make sure that the system sees the new RAM, and then everything should work like it was normally working beforehand, just a little faster. Once again, I'm Mr. Johnson here with the ACE Center at Highland Springs in Computer Systems Technology and my student Devin. Today you learned how to upgrade the RAM in an existing system. Now that you've learned that, if you would like more videos, how-to videos to be exact, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and there'll be more to come.